This is a video presentation for JzTravel app which using Prototype to produce a voice recognition prototype. As you can see, this is the app prototype. When pressing the login button, you can go to the selection sector, and this is a microphone. You can enter your starting point and your destination for JzTravel app. When you press the microphone button, Johor Bahru. And it comes out the Johor Bahru where you start from. And for the destination button, when you press it, Cameron Highland. And it comes out the word Cameron Highland where is your destination. And you press the button Go, which will lead you to the selection button, the file selection of the function of the app, which is transportation, virtual guide tourist, hotel, restaurant, and description. When you press the microphone button again, and you can mention where you want to go. In this case, first, transportation. Transportation. And it will direct you to the transportation page, which you can choose which transport you want to choose, which is taxi, bus, or airplane. And below are the various selection for the user. And when you press the microphone button, you can be direct to the menu again by saying menu. When I press it, menu, and then you will be direct to the menu again. And then second one, for the virtual guide tourist, when I press this microphone, I will mention virtual guide tourist. Virtual guide tourist. And you will jump to the virtual guide tourist section. So when I press this microphone again, museum, museum,
Attraction 1 Museum Weiyang Museum is the most famous museum for the local.
So what I did just now is that when I mention museum, the virtual guide tourist will describe me the attraction 1, which is Museum Layang-Layang. So this is one of the feature of the virtual guide tourist. And when I press the microphone again and when I mention the menu, it will jump back to the menu. 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 And when I want to go to the hotel and I press it, I will mention hotel. 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 And then you will go to the hotel section. And then as you can see here, here is a example of available hotel to choose at the Cameron Highlands with a price and a review with star. To jump back, I press the button, menu, then to go to the restaurant, I press a button again. I will go to the restaurant. Restaurant. And then you can see here is a various choice for the restaurant available at Cameron Highlands, such as Thai, chapali, Western food, with detail and a review of it by showing with the sign of stars, like this is a 5-star review. And then to jump back to the menu, I press the button again. Menu. And then for the last function, description, when I press this button, I will mention description. Description. Description.
Cameron Highlands is Malaysia's largest and best-known hill resort. Nestling the borders of Pahang and Perak provinces are the Cameron Highlands. Walks through lovely little villages.
And what happened just now is I entered the description page, the app will start promote the Cameron Highland. We should tell the app user what is the best in the Cameron Highland, what is about the Cameron Highland, to increase the motivation of the user to visit the place. So if I want to go back to the menu, I press a button and mention menu. Menu. And this is the voice prototype of the JzTravel app by using prototype. Thank you.